Welcome back to CNC training video. Today I'll show how to make this simple tool design for the beginners. So here is the Excel sheet for lathe part. So it's so simple. Here is a bigger length here 150 millimeter. So and the bigger diameter 58 millimeter and it's 55 millimeter and here 45 millimeter and here is a groove. And the groove is dia is okay dia is relation in this point and length 15 millimeter. Okay, his short length 10 millimeter and here 40 millimeter. Here to here is 85 millimeter. So radius 32 millimeter. So here is a thread length 30 millimeter, and here is a drill dia 12 millimeter. Here is counter 12 millimeter, drill 10 millimeter, and drill length 30 millimeter. Okay, let's try to make this first shows part. So here is comes this new interface and shows front plane and sketch. So now our new interface is coming, and then first of all I choose central line and start from origin and go down in left side. Okay, make sure it's horizontal. Now our central line is horizontal. Now I choose a line. So start from origin. Here is a minimum diameter. I just make it just drawing, then after define. And go back, it's automatically convert into arc. Here is groove. Okay, make sure this line is must horizontal. See, it's horizontal. Okay, here's the drafting to raise the resin. Now I make the 3D. So first let's define. So the smart dimension, and here is the bigger length 150 millimeter. Okay, the maximum diameter axle out of this shaft here 58 millimeter. Okay, and this 55 millimeter. Okay, and here 45 millimeter. 45 millimeter, and then some. Okay, now Make sure this point is must transient relation here in the line, so it's transient, and also this transient. Okay, let's define. First, click this point and hold Ctrl key this central line. Okay, make sure it's coincident. Okay, now it's coincident, and then click this point and hold Ctrl key this point. Make sure it's vertical. Okay, let's define. Here is arc radius is 32 millimeter. Okay, now first click this group point and hold Ctrl key on this point. Make sure it's horizontal. Okay, and uh, click this point and hold Ctrl key this point. Make sure it's horizontal. Okay, now give the short length. Okay, here is some minimum diameter. Yes, control this point and construction line. Make it's automatically convert. Here is 80 millimeter. 80 millimeter. Okay. Then here is the point 0.5 length and dia chamfer and incrementally. First click this. Here is zero point 0.5 length and also incremental diameter. Here is zero point 0.5. Okay. Let's define in another one. Now here is short length is 10 millimeter, and here 40 millimeter. And now click this short length and hold Ctrl key this line. Make sure it's equal, so it's equal relation, and then click this point and this line. Its distance 85 millimeter. Okay, and here group length is 15 millimeter. Okay, now here is uh, the small group is group with 2 millimeter, and incrementally here is diameter distance point 1 millimeter. Okay, and here diameter Click this point and this center line, and here 25 millimeter. Okay, our design is completely okay and showing here is fully defined. So now I need the drill drafting drawing. First I choose line. First click this point and make first is counter, and then here is a drill. Okay, and end this. Let's define. At the same here is smart dimension, and it's a drill diameter. See here is the drill diameter 10 millimeter drill dia, and counter also 12 millimeter. Okay, and here angle counter bit and so line 155 millimeter. Okay, and here is the length is 30 millimeter. Okay, our design is completely okay. If you want you can make it 3D, no need, because I learned step by step. So here is a very simple design for the beginner. So it's a CNC lathe part. So if you want you can make it program in Mastercam. It will be show step by step. So thanks for watching. Thank you.